Greetings everyone, and welcome to my coin collection. Today's coins are an annual set released by the nation of Bulgaria in 1992. In Southeast Europe, the Republic of Bulgaria occupies the whole eastern part of the Balkans, covering a territory of 110,994 square kilometres or 42,855 square miles. It shares borders with Romania to the north, Serbia and North Macedonia to the west, Greece and Turkey to the south, and the Black Sea to the east. Sofia is the country's capital and largest city. Archaeological finds in Bulgaria represent the earliest arrival of modern humans in Europe. There are Neanderthal remains dating to around 150,000 years ago, or the Middle Paleolithic, and remains from Homo sapiens found there are dated to 47,000 years BCE. In 6500 BCE, the Neolithic Karanovo culture arose there. In the 6th to 3rd centuries BCE, the region was fought over by the Thracians, Persians, Celts and Macedonians, before stabilising when the Roman Empire conquered the region in AD 45. The Bulgars, from whom the country takes its name, were semi-nomadic warrior tribes that originally controlled territory north of the Black Sea, and Old Great Bulgaria was the territory under conflict today in the south and east of Ukraine and part of Russia. The area we call Bulgaria was known as Danubian Bulgaria in 679 AD when Khan Asparuk conquered Scythia Minor, establishing the First Bulgarian Empire, when the Bulgars became a political and military elite. Over time they integrated with the Byzantine populations and previously settled Slavic tribes, forming the ancestors of modern Bulgarians. The Cyrillic script was developed in Bulgaria. The First Bulgarian Empire lasted until the early 11th century, when Byzantine Emperor Basil II conquered and dismantled it. A Second Bulgarian Empire was established in 1185, however this had fallen apart by 1396 and the area was ruled by the Ottomans for nearly 5 centuries. The third and current Bulgarian state was formed in the aftermath of the Russo-Turkish War of 1877-78. After World War II, Bulgaria became a socialist state, part of the Soviet-led Eastern Bloc. Following the revolutions of 1989, the Communist Party conceded multi-party elections, and since 1991, Bulgaria has been a unitary parliamentary republic. The Lev was introduced as Bulgaria's currency in 1881, with a value equal to the French franc. In Old Bulgarian, the word Lev meant lion. The word lion in the modern language is luv. The Lev is divided into 100 Stotinki. Stotinka in Bulgarian means a hundredth, and in fact is a translation of the French term centime. Grammatically, the word Stotinka comes from the word sto, 100. This set comes from 1992 when, after the communist era, older coins were withdrawn and a new coinage was introduced in denominations of 10, 20 and 50 Stotinki, 1, 2, 5 and 10 leva. The obverse of the 10, 20 and 50 Stotinki coins features the image of an ancient lion sculpture facing to our left within a circle. Around the top half of the outer circle is the word Republika, while the lower half has the word Bulgaria. On the obverse of the leva, we see an image representing the figure of a knight on horseback having killed a lion. The original is carved into a 100-metre high cliff near the village of Madara in northeast Bulgaria. Madara was the principal sacred place of the First Bulgarian Empire before Bulgaria's conversion to Christianity in the 9th century. The inscriptions beside the sculpture tell of events that occurred between AD 705 and 801. It is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The inside of the packaging contains some images of the beautiful scenery and amazing architecture from around Bulgaria. The 10, 20 and 50 Stotinki coins feature the numeral in the centre of the reverse, with the date broken up either side of it, 19 to the left, 92 to the right. At the base of the coin is the word Stotinki. Above the numerals is the symbol of a fish, while below is one of a sun. These are both symbols of the ancient people of Bulgaria. The 1, 2, 5 and 10 leva coins are similar, except that the 1 lev has the word lev underneath the numeral, while the others have the plural leva. On these larger coins, the date is below the word for the denomination, while the fish and the sun are to the right and left of the numerals respectively. New currency replaced these coins when the Lev was revalued in 1999 with 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 and 50 Stotinki coins, and later 1 and 2 Lev coins also introduced. Since Bulgaria gained EU membership in 2007, various dates have been suggested as the expected end of the Lev. On the 10th of July 2020, along with Croatia, Bulgaria joined the European exchange rate mechanism and is scheduled to go with the change to the euro in 2024, which means that 2023 will be the final year for the Bulgarian Lev. It will be interesting to see the new euro designs. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these coins with me. If you have, please like the video and leave a comment down below. You might also consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss any of the upcoming videos from my collection.